I have some cooked black beans here. So I use, a shortcut that I do in the home is I make a little sofrito, which is sauteed of garlic, onions, peppers, add a little cumin, and I just add that to a can of black beans. A little bit of chicken broth or vegetable broth. I also put a little cider vinegar in here.
Ooh.
So I'm gonna puree this.
So just hit any one of these little numbers down here?
Yep, nice and slow.
Nice and slow.
So you can see they're a little overripe, and that's kind of where you want them.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And what you're looking for is kind of a golden brown on each side.
So bananas do have several things going for them. First of all, there's no fat, there's no cholesterol, so you're getting some nice, just healthy ingredients to start with. But what it adds is you're going to get a lot of potassium out of bananas. Bananas also have a good source of B vitamins in there, which we all need. When babies first start their solid foods around 6 months of age, bananas is one of those very first. So simply taking, like Chef was saying, just a mashed banana and feeding it to your baby instead of buying the ones in the store is perfectly easy to do.